Hello, this is Joe Liu. So at the background, you can see this is a kitchen cabinet. This is old house. So the kitchen cabinet looks old style. In this project, I'm going to paint kitchen cabinet because the old kitchen cabinet, they look old, but they are durable because the material they are using the plywood. And the modern kitchen material using the melamine. So that material is compressed wood, is not durable. Mostly, the problem is at the screw area, so easily broken. So whenever there's a screw area broken, then the kitchen cabinet door has a problem. So that's why I like using the kitchen cabinet rather than modern kitchen cabinet because the durability. So first, when you want to paint the color, you choose the color first. So you can go to the home center to pick swatch, one sample color. There's many. You pick one color. You can choose the dark one as the base. And later on you can use the top one lighter as your wall or background, and using the white as a trim, put it on the trim. So this is a whole series. So this project, I will show you the whole things. Right now, currently, is old, but I will show you step by step to do it. So we'll see. So let's go and see. So first I will do the first coating. Coating is quickly. You just quickly put that pen. Put the pen on the smoothly on the door. So make sure it roll smoothly, okay, evenly, okay. So now this first coat is finished. So I will paint the cabinet, okay, actual cabinet itself. So I will let the door, paint door dry. Right now I'm painting this about the cabinet. So make sure you put because the area you need the tape to cover it. If you accidentally put the paint the wrong place, just using the web to clean up right away. Okay. And you have tape on the edge, and you can do it much faster and quickly. So this is the first coat and it should be fine now. I will let it dry. I'm continuing work on my kitchen cabinet repainting project. So yesterday painting for the bottom of the cabinet, so you can see, okay, finish. So today, I was doing painting for the top cabinet and the wall, but I using the color one. The first one is bottom, I'm using for the bottom, and the top one I'm using this a little bit lighter. So this will be the top one, and also the wall, the whole kitchen wall, and the trim will be, the door trim will be white. So that will outstanding, the white, the frame. So this is the one I choose for the sample swatch. So you can get from the home center. So anyway, I'll continue to do the project. Let's start. This is a kitchen cabinet repainting project for the day 3. So after day 2, I finish the coating of the top cabinet using the color. Okay, you can see the color. Okay, and also I paint the wall using the same color. Is Alkyd. Semi-glossed the paint. So the problem currently, I think the top panel of the cabinet, the color contrast of the button looks okay, but the wall color looks a little bit thick. So that means there's something wrong. So I think the color of the wall has to be a little bit lighter for this, otherwise, because you will feel the color so intense for your feeling. So I'm going to fix it, to readjust. the color for the wall. So a little bit add more white in the color. So we'll see, and I think I will continue to improve and change my initial plan to continue work on the wall. So let me see, let's go and